What's up guys? It's Midin. On this video, we're gonna be checking out Tilly Bird's Just Being Friendly perform in T-pop stage show. So I'm really super excited because this is the first time that I'm reacting to Tilly Bird. So before I start, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming Tilly Bird's reaction. So let's go! Tilly Birds. Oh my god, oh my god. Actually, the beat of the music, actually, the drum, yeah. The first stanza is really fast drum, and yeah, really fast. Then, nagka-slow, ganun, nagkahina-hina yung, niya, hanggang sa naging normal yung tugtog ng gitara. Ay, yung gitara, yung drum. And actually, the electric guitar, yun din yung beat ng electric guitar sa drum. Yeah, di ba? If you notice, it's starting to slow. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! If you notice, guys, the beat of the music, his vocal. Oh my god! I don't expect this because actually his voice, it's like an Trinity voice, diba? Para siyang sa yung boses niya katulad sa Trinity, yon. Katulad sa J-pop o Japan pop, T-pop, or actually, especially in K-pop. Yeah, ang ganda talaga ng boses na, it's really good and my god. Oh my god. If you notice, it's like a rap. It's like a rap, parang siyang rap na kanta. Sa gitna lang yun, nasa gitna na parang siyang rap. Pero actually, if you correct me if I'm wrong, basta sa akin, parang siyang rap talaga. And I love the beat. Yes, I love this harmony yung pag ganon, yung boses, if you notice. His voice is like hindi siya, marunong siyang magpaliit ng boses, like, di ba? Ooh, I love it. I really enjoy this song. I really enjoy the beat. I really enjoy the music, actually. His song, I really enjoy. Oh my god, I really enjoy. Okay. Oh my god. Hindi ko na alam kung anong sasabihin ko sa kanya, guys. Ang masasabi ko lang sa kanya, his voice is really duper amazing and really duper nice voice. It's a blessing because binigyan siya ng ganyang talent, diba? I love the stage really so much. I love the stage. Yeah, I love it. I love the drum. When the when drums started to be boom boom, oh my god. The beat is really nice because of the drum. I love it. It's really good. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love the beat. I love the beat. When the drum is starting to create a beat. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hindi ko alam kung anong masasabi ko. Hindi ko alam anong masasabi ko. Yeah. Yay! So the video is finished. I am going to make an opinion of the video. Actually, the beat, yes, I really love the beat of the music. And actually, his voice is really when they especially when he sing the song, it's really good. Yeah, it's really good. Actually, when he sing the song, it's really clean. It's really clean. Actually, it's really amazing. It's really, really, really good voice. Actually, it's a blessing that God give him his give like amazing voice like that. So yeah, the beat, the stage, actually the background, I love it. It's really good background, and yeah, harmony of the voice and vocal, and of course the drum and electric guitar. I love it so much when electric guitar and drum combine each other. It's really, really good music produce. You produce. It's really good when drum and guitar combine each other. It's really good. The music, yeah. When you produce some music, it's really good. So that's all. That's the end of the video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming reaction videos. So bye guys. God bless and stay safe. Salute.